Understanding the phrase, rap fan. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve into an interesting and contemporary English phrase, rap fan. By the end of this video, you'll understand what this phrase means and how to use it in conversations. Rap. This is a genre of music that involves spoken or chanted rhyming lyrics. It's been popular worldwide since the late 20th century and has its roots in African and African American communities. Rap music often tackles various themes, from societal issues to personal experiences. Fan. This is a term used to describe someone who has a strong interest in, or admiration for, a particular person, team, or kind of entertainment. In our context, it refers to someone who enjoys and follows rap music. Combining the two words, a rap fan, is someone who is a fan of rap music, meaning they enjoy listening to it and might follow various rap artists and their works. To help you understand better, here are a few examples of how rap fan can be used in sentences. 1. My brother is a huge rap fan. He has a collection of albums from various artists. 2. Are you a rap fan? I've got tickets to a concert next week. 3. Despite her love for classical music, she's also a rap fan. Often, you might come across terms that are closely related or might be used interchangeably with rap fan. Here are a few. Hip-hop head. This refers to someone who is deeply involved or appreciative of both rap music and the broader hip-hop culture, which includes elements like breakdancing and graffiti art. Rap enthusiast. Another way of saying someone is particularly passionate about rap music. So, there you have it. Now you know what a rap fan is and how to use the term in your conversations. Remember, language is dynamic and always evolving, so it's great to keep learning new terms and phrases. We hope this video was helpful, and we encourage you to embrace the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!